Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Utirelo Kale, baby mama number 2, Kampumelelo Mseleko. Utirelo Kale is making a comeback in the highly anticipated third season of Izingane Zesithembu, set to 25 May 2025 on channel 161. The 25-year-old, who is known as a girlfriend and a baby mama of Mpumelelo Mseleko, promises viewers a season filled with growth, emotions, and a deep realization. Tirelo shared that she is returning as a more mature woman. All I can say is that it is going to be a roller coaster of a lot of emotion. There's so much realization of a lot of things. I would like to say there's some growth that can be expected from me. I will grow and realize a lot of things, she said. Izingane Zesithembu gives viewers an inside look at the life of polygamist Musa Mseleko's children. Tirelo was introduced in the first 2 seasons as Mpumelelo's second girlfriend. However, after his first girlfriend, Vuyokazi, left the relationship in the previous season, Tirelo moved into the number 1 spot, with many viewers arguing her and Mpumelelo's other girlfriends to leave him. Tirelo had an interesting response. My response to that question is that I also don't know why I'm still with him. I honestly don't know. I don't want to lie, because when you love someone, you love them. People can't even convince you to stop loving them. Sometimes not even God can move you away from that person. You will have to start realizing for yourself and decide whether you want to live or not, she said. And the upcoming season will also introduce another girlfriend of Mpumelelo, adding to the drama. In the previous season, Mpumelelo had revealed his intentions to pay lobola, leaving fans wondering if wedding bells were on the horizon. When asked if marriage was in her future, Tirelo remained tight-lipped. People should just stay tuned for season 3 to come back and see how everything unfolds. But all I can say now is that there will be a lot of heartbreaks and realization going on, she teased. Despite being part of the show for 3 seasons, Tirelo admitted that she still hasn't fully adjusted to reality TV. In all honesty, I wouldn't say I'm used to the reality TV thing, because we deal with something new every season. It is something you can't master. Also, we are doing this 24 hours a day. You don't get used to it. I hasn't gotten used to how reality TV works, she added. Promises of drama, heartbreak, and personal growth. Izingane Zesithembu Season 3 is set to keep fans on the edge of their seats. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.